Thank you so much once again and welcome. In this session, I'm going to take us through how to become a vendor. So simply log into your account. If you don't have an account, register. So I'll just log in. Remember, it's the same place where the customer also logs in. So if you want to become a vendor, simply click on be a seller. It will ask you for a shop name. Enter your logo and your address. Save. Then more items now. Enter your meta title and your meta description. Should always be meta title should be around 60 to 70 and description 160, around 160 to 170. Save. Next, enter in your sliders 1400 by 400 pixels or anything there around. So add, in case you want to add more sliders. These are the sliders that will always appear on your vendor profile. Added, save. Then next, add in your social media profiles. Facebook page, Twitter page, YouTube page. Save. That is it. Now I can click to visit my shop. In case your shop is not yet verified, you can wait for it to be verified. Alternatively, you can always chat with our support so that we can help you to have your account ready. So now we can see the top selling products, all products, and then my slides are here, but I don't have products. So next thing, I want to add products. To do that, simply come to products, add new, put in the product name. So my product, I'm going to enter a mobile phone, choosing the category, subcategory, then subcategory, and click on confirm. Choosing the brand, my product is Techno brand. The price, the unit is pieces, and the tag, so say Techno phones, smartphone. Still add more. Add in the images. Add in another image in case you need. It has more images, so those will appear on the category, on the gallery. The thumbnail can be the same image, and the featured email can also be the same as the flash. If the product has a video, can be on YouTube or on any other platform, come there, put in the link, put in the meta title, description, then use the same image again for the meta image. These are for searches. Then for now, I'll not enter any customer choice, but I'll come here, put the price 12,000. If the price has tax, I can change that. If it has discount or quantity, but for now, I'll just have them like that, and then put in the description. If it has a PDF, I'll upload. If it doesn't have, click save. That is it. So now, when I refresh my page, I'll be able to see the new product that I've just added. Now, when I click on this product, I can see the product images, the ones I inserted, and I can also see out of stock, I can simply come and edit the same product and add in more other things like color for those who want specific color. To do that, I'll first of all enter the stock quantity. Maybe I have 10 pieces. The next, I have different colors. I have black. I also have white. Then in attributes, I have different attributes of the product. One is the capacity, which is storage. And then I also have RAM or memory. And then I also have features of this particular product. So now as I enter each of these, I'll have them as I enter them, they'll be populated here. So in terms of storage, I'll specify how many GBs I have. So maybe this is 20 GB of storage. And then I also have a 30 GB of the same. And then I also have 50 GB of the same, just as an example. For memory, maybe 100 MBs, GBs, again, as an example, 500 GBs as well. For the features, this one has 2 SIM cards, and it also has a camera. Now, as I enter each of these, I'll have different variations already built for me here for each of them. So what I'll simply do is come here and see if it says black 20 GB, 100 GB of RAM, 2 SIM cards. So I put its price and put its quantity. So maybe black 20 GB, 100 GB camera, maybe it's a different price. So I'll just put in that different price. If this is also a different price, I'll put in that as well. If this is also a different price, I'll put in that different price. And this is also a different price. So as I enter this, it means now when people will be doing the filters, then they'll be finding the products based on those particular prices. So I'll just save and see how my product now looks like. So one thing is each of the attributes will now be added here, as you can see. So somebody looking for 20 GB, 100 black in color gets that price that I've put, which is basically the price I put here. And then is looking for 30 GB. You can see now the price has changed. So that's how the prices change depending on what I'm looking at. So somebody can also specify the color and then choose on the quantity and buy. So that's basically how you enter in your products. Now, next I want us to enter a service. So I'm a web designer. So I'll go in and put in my bulk SMS. I'm going to sell bulk SMS services. So the first thing I'll do, add in my category. So I'll enter this under services and hustles, my category, subcategory, digital and IT services, and then mobile, then confirm. Price, so for this, it doesn't have a brand, so I'll just say not specified or generic. And then I'll put in the unit price and the tag. So this is bulk SMS. Branded sender ID. etc. Then I'll put in the image, custom image, thumbnail, feature, and flag. flash. Then I'll put in a video in case there is a video link, my meta description and meta title. Then meta image, always use the same image. It doesn't have any other attributes of color, but it does have attributes of packages. So I'll choose in that. Then I'll put in the choices. So somebody buying between 1 to 500, 1 to 1000 credits, it will have its price. Somebody buying between 1000 and 1 to 10,000, again it has a price. Somebody buying between 10,000 and 1 to 50,000, it also has a price. And then somebody buying between 50,000 and 1 to 100,000, it also has a price. And then I can say above 100,000. Now I'll put in my unit price. My sender ID is 7,500. Or I can say it's 8,500. And then I can say this product is subjected to 14% tax. And also I'm giving a discount of 5%. So as I put each of the credits, I'll see again each of them added here. So what I'll do next is now say, how about somebody buys between this to this? So what price will he get? Maybe he gets that. So he buys this, maybe now he gets less. And then he buys this, maybe now he gets less again. So let me just say this 7. He buys this, he gets less, and then he buys this again, he gets it even less, and then here he buys it at that much. So in case there is a shipping information, if I have a static price of shipping, remember we're using other partners for delivery, and if it doesn't need a delivery or shipping, you just leave it there, and then you'll add in your description, specification, then you save. That's it. Now, when I come back to my account and I refresh on this particular account, so I'll now see I have two services. I have a product and I also have a service. So when I click on this particular service, I can see the price and I can see that when I click on this, the prices change. When I click on this also, the prices change like that, like that. So you can always play with the values until your prices are okay. Here now the VAT is added. So once your prices are okay, so that means you can sell products, you can sell services. Now, apart from that also is that you are also able to sell another thing, which is the classified here. So every account is given a free package. Now, these are particular products or services that you like people to call you directly when they see them. So that also helps you with increasing conversion. So once you've clicked on that, you'll be able to see your classified product here, and you can add new product. So product name here, I'm selling a laptop backpack. The product category is electronics and computers, and then it's laptop accessories, and then subcategories is laptop bag. The brand for this is that, and the product unit, pieces, the condition, if it's new or used. In this case, my product is used. The location where the product is or where I'm based, so in Westlands, Nairobi. The product tag, laptop bag. Then the images. In the image, thumbnail image can be the same image. If it has a YouTube link, the meta description, the meta image, very important. Then the prices, so I'm selling it at 2,000. Meta description, add in the description. If it has a PDF, then save. So now my classified product will need to be approved, but I can also set its status if it's available or not available. So in case you're trying to have your product and it's not yet approved, you can always just go to the chat and then chat with us. Then somebody from the admin will be able to approve your product. Apart from that, you also have other things, like you can withdraw your money, and then you can also manage your products, your wish lists, and from the same account you can also buy or shop on the platform. All conversations that people have with you, they'll all be listed here on the same. And when you chat with other customers, they'll also be listed here. In case you have a problem, just go to support ticket or chat with us live. So as you can see now, my laptop bag is already published. So when I come to the website, it will now be listed among the classifieds, and you can see it here, and it's used. My product is here on the classified page. It appears as used, and I can click it to see more about the product. So it shows who is the owner of the product, what is the price, and then I can click here to reveal the phone number. So with this, I can simply talk with this person directly and have more details about the bag. So that's how the classified section works, and we hope many people, individuals, will be able to sell anything that they have. And that's it for vendors. All the best and good luck. Thank you.